I hope you guys really got scared by that intro, and to know how to achieve that look, just keep on watching and let's get into it. We're going to start by priming our eyelids with this Maybelline concealer and spreading it evenly across the whole eyelid, and then we're going to set it with some setting powder. Then we're going to take these two shades of yellow and use that as our transition shade, and we're going to build it all the way up, and then we're going to take these two shades, this pink and this purple, and we're going to put that right in the crease, and we're going to build it up and blend it into the yellow. To blend even more, we're going to take the brush with the yellow again and blend it into the pink and the purple. Now we're going to take some black eyeshadow and we're going to put that right on the crease below the pink and purple shade we put. We're going to put it all on our crease, and then we're going to build it up, and we're going to put the black on the outer edge of our eyes also. We're going to take the brush with the pink and purple again and blend it out even more. Now we're going to take a really small brush to make our cut crease really precise, and we're going to put some concealer on it, and we're going to cut the crease all the way today. So we're kind of going for like a half moon shape. We're going to start it in the beginning of the eye and end it where the eye ends. Now I'm going to set that concealer. Then I'm going to take my Aurora Lights palette and I'm going to take the shade Glowing, and I'm going to put that all over my eye where I cut the crease. And then I'm going to take my brush with the black to blend out everything, all the edges, so they don't look harsh on the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going to take the shade Phenomenon in the same palette and I'm going to put that in my tear duct. Now I'm going to take my eyeliner and make a really cute winged liner, and I'm going to make it kind of thick today. I'm trying to know the sizes now so I could really describe it good for you guys. It's not too big, it's not too small. So now I'm taking the concealer and cleaning up the edges, and I'm going to put on my Maybelline Big Shot mascara. Now we're going to start on the face. I'm taking my NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer and I'm blending it all into my skin. Then I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 340 today. That's the only one I put. I didn't mix it today. And then I'm going to use my brush and blend it all in to have a nice even layer. Then I'm going to take my setting powder and set my foundation because I see that it gives me a really clean finish when I do it first instead of after. So after this, I'm going to take my concealer and start highlighting my face. I'm taking my Maybelline concealer in the shade 25 and I'm using that as my concealer today. It's really light, but it does look really nice. So I'm just going to put the highlight everywhere that I usually highlight: my nose, under my cheekbones, then my chin, and also my forehead. As you can see, because I set my foundation before I started highlighting, when I am blending the highlight, it gives a really matte velvet finish so that I don't have to really bake my face after. I'm going to blend the highlight on my nose and also blend the sides so it doesn't look harsh. Now I'm going to take my Black Radiance contour palette and contour my cheekbones. And I'm also, heads up, I'm going to put a lot of contour on my jawline so that when I do my neck, it looks really flat. And I'm going to contour my nose, and then I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it so it doesn't look harsh. And I'm going to do a really subtle highlight today so it doesn't take away from the look or make it look washed out. Now we're going to start on the look on the face. We're going to take the pink and the purple and we're going to make kind of two dots to guide us in the beginning of the eye and the end, and we're going to start making a circle connecting the eye to the lips, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. It's not really a circle, it's like a half circle, we could say. So we're going to make these upside down triangles, and then we're going to deepen the purple. We're going to do the same on the other side, repeating the first steps. Then we're going to deepen the purple. Now on top of the eyebrow, we're going to make an upside down T, and then we're going to just, start deepening it and blending it out. Repeat the same step on the other eyebrow. Now we're going to take the black and put it on the inside of the purple, because the purple was kind of our guide to not get outside of it. We're going to just put the black on really messy like, but still being in control. We're going to put it on both sides like this and make it really dark and black. After we put the black on our cheeks, we're going to take the brush with the purple again, and we're going to just blend it out so it doesn't look harsh. Now we're going to put the black on a smaller brush and put it on the inside of the purple on our eyebrows. Then we're going to start on our necks. We're just going to put the lines first to guide us, and then we're going to start filling them in. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the black and making straight lines down my neck and then curving them at the end and giving them triangular shapes. So as you can see, I'm just freehanding it. I'm making straight lines down my neck, and then at the end I make a triangle. So if you continue watching, it's just fairly repetitive because it's the same steps over and over. And it's not hard, it's really easy, because if you make a mistake, you can just fix it with makeup remover and just start again if you want. But it's really no point, because you could just fix it right there when you're doing it. And here, because it's coming to the end of my shoulder, I'm going to make the half circle on my shoulder, and then I'm going to make the triangle coming down, because it would be hard knowing where to make it. So I just made another triangle, and I'm bringing it up my neck, and then I'm going to just connect it with the other one that I just made. Now I'm taking a concealer brush with the lightest shade in the BH Cosmetics Cream Contour Palette, because I never use it and it really looks white. And I'm going to use that to fill in my neck and skip one every time. And I'm going to take my black eyeshadow and do the same thing. Just fill in my neck and just do it. I'm doing it really messy, but it comes out looking good either way. So let's just do this, follow along. It's really easy to do. Now I'm using some makeup remover to clean up the edges. Then I'm going to take my white eyeliner and start making small dots inside of the upside down T's. It's really easy and it adds a little pop to the look, which makes the look. And I'm going to do the same on the cheekbones area. I'm going to put some by the lips first, then I'm going to do it under the eyes and continue. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. I start by the lips and then I go under my eyes and then I fill in the middle. Now I'm going to make a circle on my nose with the black eyeliner. Then I'm going to take some purple eyeshadow and fill in the insides. Then I'm taking the white eyeliner and making a line to make it look like a glared effect. Then I'm going to take some black eyeliner again and just outline my lips because I don't have black lipstick. And I'm going to outline the top, making my cupid's bow kind of sharp because I don't usually do that. And then I'm going to just bring it down and connect the corners. Then I'm going to use the black eyeliner to start filling in the corners of my lips and leaving the inside bare, so that after that I could use the eyeshadow and putting it on the middle. So now I'm taking the eyeshadow that I used on my lips, the shade Glowing from the Aurora Lights palette, and I'm putting it on the inside of my lips. Here I'm just fixing my eyeliner. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this look for you. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.